How to embed Facebook feed on Shopify. Log into your Taggbox widget account or else create new account. Select Create Widget button, enter widget name and save your changes. Select the feed source to fetch feeds. Here we are using Facebook. Enter the page URL to fetch feed and click on Continue with Facebook button. Now the feeds will appear on your dashboard. Now it's time to embed the Instagram feed on Shopify, so click on Embed Widget. Here select Shopify. And now click on Get Code and copy this embed code. Log in to your Shopify account. Now go to the online store and select Pages. And then click on Add Page. Enter the title for your Shopify page. Now paste the embedded code in the content section and save your changes. Now in last click on View Page. Great, you have successfully embedded Facebook feed on Shopify.